Hop in a V, it's been a few weeks. I need a freak, that's you and me. Back of the G, back of the G, back of the G. You my little freak.
Maybe I will, maybe I won't. What if we do? What if we don't? I love the energy, boo. Let me come get on that frequency too. You know I like chilling with you. Back of the V is whatever with you. This the type of romance that don't need rules. Usually I'm not one to make first moves, but you came through, got me feeling so damn comfortable.
Hop in a V, it's been a few weeks. I need a freak, that's you and me. Back of the G, back of the G, back of the G. You my little freak.
Yeah, need a love feel like this. Make a nigga reminisce. Make a nigga come real quick. You know that. You can put it on no tip. Tongue all on my lips. Whole lot of fog in the whip. You know that. This the type of romance that don't need rules. Usually I'm not one to make first moves, but you came through, got me feeling so damn comfortable.
Hop in a V, it's been a few weeks. I need a freak, that's you and me. Back of the G, back of the G, back of the G.